Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export specific fields from Copper via Sheets or Google Sheets. So first up, let's go ahead over to extensions right here. And I do assume that you already have Copper CRM for Google Sheets. Okay. Now in here, let's go ahead and click on import data. By the way, if you don't have this extension, just go ahead and check the video out. And the channel, we have a separate video for that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and click on start import. And let's go ahead and find a record. Okay. For example, we have people in here, opportunities, projects, companies, and others. Okay, let's go ahead and select people right here, for example. Choose a filter if you want to. Okay, and then once done, just head on import data. Wait for it. All right, it's almost done. And it's loaded. So what you'll do if you just wanted to export specific fields, okay, is that look for the field. For example, I don't want to include the dates right here, okay? Both modified and created. So what you'll do is just click on the column, make sure that it is highlighted. Click on this drop down or right click, it doesn't matter. Just click on delete column. Again, delete. And once done, make sure to click on refresh right here to update the data. Wait for it. As it says here, updated on recently. Okay. Now, when we go ahead and check it out right here under our Copper, it should be gone. As you can see here, we still have one date field right here, which is last contacted. Just make sure to refresh the Copper website. And as you can see here, we don't have the started at date anymore, just the last contacted. And there you have it. If you want to export a CSV file for this specific data, just click on File, Download, select your desired file type. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.